So guys, I just happened to be out by Knob Creek and saw this car club kind of showing off their cars. A lot of people were out enjoying some ice cream. This is near Toluca, North Carolina. Some beautiful cars. Got to take a little gander at and look at these fine specimens. So they seem to have a good representation of various different years of vehicles. Bel Air, a Maverick, a C10. This one was named Spotless. It had a little mini spot up there. I was pretty impressed with this one. Galaxy. This is a patrol car here. The gentleman that had it, he did a good job explaining all his rebuild and everything. That was pretty cool.